welcome back to my dear viewers and subscribers. So do you know this place? From this place I started making video for showing, and this is a very important and crucial ground for me in my life. From there and here I started my YouTube face video. It's one kind of origin place of my YouTube history, and I have come here this place a long time later, maybe 1 month at least, because last few videos you have seen that was created in Dhaka division, different parts, but I memorized this that like to a natural field, natural place in our country, better than this you cannot find any good place. Still today's weather is very well. You are hearing the sounds of the air, and it is very high. The speed of the air is over 40 to 50 kilometers. But overall, if you see all the things, it's gorgeous, it's fantastic. This is a one homestay, and behind me this is another homestay. If you are my regular viewers, you must know about this all the things, because every parts of these fields you know properly, because I made a lot of video here. This place beside the canal, about this, and there is also a fish, all this pond there behind it, and all the things. But why I have come here? Because I thought I should come here, this place, and also make a video about this place, the historical place for myself in my history of my YouTube, and to show you and help you, give you some confidence to speak in any kind of place. And this is, if I talk about this place, this is a already paddy field have been cut, and the paddy, the crops harvesting is done, and now the field is nothing to cultivate, because after few weeks the water will come from the river. The monsoon season it is going on. Where actually I'm standing, just 1 month later you will see it's full of the water. Even the water height will be over my head. It is absolutely huge water come, and you know this water helps us to produce or to strong the field for production for the next season. Otherwise, if not the water come this area, the production of crops will decrease day by day. You know about it. So it's important to let the water come this field, not only this field but also any kind of field. So the farmers usually do not come this area. The actual reason is because there is no anything to do here, because there is no crops, so farmers usually do not come here. Just there is some cow behind me, you're seeing cow are come here. The cow come here, or they take them here to eat the grass, because the grass size is very huge length, you also seeing, and very high length of this grass, and the same thing. But there is some own kind of crop series on the homestay. It's called Bengalese Dharosh. It's very popular. If you know about this Dharosh English, you can comment this. And by the way, I told you many things. If you really want to know more about from my video, of course you will email to my email account. There is description, YouTube description on YouTube video about my challenge section, all the thing you will get here. Also Facebook page, my Gmail, englishfluentlymaster@gmail.com. If you really want to know any kind of things, grammar, or to make any kind of sentence, any kind of things, whatever in English, I am ready to help you. Just you have to ask the question and send to email. So I hope this video must help you to describe your village, to describe your fluency, to speak in your own way. Just you can speak like this way, just describe the surrounding and you come here along the days. I will come the next video with very soon in other part different things. So for that time, goodbye, assalamu alaikum.